Welcome back, viewers, to the 10 Facts with A.B.E Channel. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey into the mysterious and fascinating world of owls. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 10 incredible and unknown facts about these enigmatic creatures. Let's begin our exploration. Fact 1. The owl's silent flight. Owls have large wings relative to their body size, and these wings are adapted for silent flight. The leading edges of their primary feathers have a serrated or comb-like structure that breaks up the turbulent air that typically produces noise. This structure helps minimize the sound of air rushing over the wings. The flight feathers of owls are covered in a soft fringe, which further reduces the sound of air passing over them. This fringe structure breaks up the turbulent air and absorbs the sound, preventing the creation of the typical whooshing noise associated with bird flight. Compared to many other birds of prey, owls are relatively large, which allows them to fly more slowly and quietly. Smaller birds need to flap their wings more rapidly to generate lift, producing more noise in the process. Fact 2. Owls have exceptional hearing capabilities. Owls have a distinctive facial disc, a circular arrangement of feathers surrounding their faces. This disc functions like a radar dish, channeling sound waves towards their ears and enhancing their ability to capture and locate sounds. Owls possess asymmetrical ear openings on either side of their heads. One ear is higher than the other, allowing for the localization of sounds in both the vertical and horizontal planes. This asymmetry enables owls to precisely determine the direction and distance of sounds. Owl ears are uniquely designed with a complex structure that aids in sound localization. The openings are asymmetrical not just in placement but also in size and shape. Additionally, the facial disc works in conjunction with the ears to help capture and direct sound towards them. The ear openings of owls are relatively large compared to their body size, allowing them to capture more sound. This large size helps in collecting faint sounds and enhances their sensitivity to a broad range of frequencies. Fact 3. Owls have incredible vision. Owls have relatively large eyes compared to the size of their heads. This allows them to capture more light, enhancing their vision in low light conditions. Owl eyes are forward-facing, providing them with binocular vision. This helps in judging distances accurately, a crucial ability for hunting. And the structure of an owl's eye is more tubular than spherical. This elongated shape allows for greater light-gathering ability, especially in dim light conditions. Owls, like many other nocturnal animals, have a reflective layer behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum. This layer enhances their ability to see in low light by reflecting light that passes through the retina back into the eye. This reflection allows for a second chance for photoreceptor cells to capture the light. Owls have a flexible neck that can rotate up to 270 degrees, allowing them to turn their heads to compensate for their fixed eye sockets. This wide range of head movement enhances their field of view and ability to focus on specific objects. Fact 4. Owls have been associated with wisdom in various cultures throughout history. Ancient Greece. In ancient Greek mythology, the owl was often linked to Athena, the goddess of wisdom. The owl, specifically the little owl, Athene Noctua, became a symbol of wisdom, knowledge, and foresight. Athena, who was considered a wise and strategic goddess, was often depicted with an owl companion. Ancient Rome. The association of owls with wisdom extends to ancient Rome, where owls were considered sacred to the goddess Minerva, the Roman counterpart to Athena. Minerva, like Athena, was associated with wisdom, strategic warfare, and the arts. Celtic and Norse traditions. In Celtic and Norse mythology, owls were often seen as guardians of the underworld and emissaries between the living and the spirit world. Their association with the night and their ability to navigate through darkness contributed to their connection with unseen realms. Hinduism. In Hinduism, the owl is often associated with the goddess Lakshmi, who represents wealth, prosperity, and wisdom. The owl is considered her mount and is believed to symbolize the importance of foresight and perception. Chinese culture. In Chinese folklore, the owl is associated with death and is considered a symbol of inauspiciousness. However, in some cases, it is also seen as a symbol of wisdom and protection. Fact 5. Owls are incredibly adaptable creatures. Owls can be found in a wide range of habitats, from dense forests and deserts to grasslands and urban areas. Different owl species have adapted to diverse environments around the world, demonstrating their ability to thrive in various ecosystems. Owls are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. Their exceptional night vision, acute hearing, and silent flight make them well suited for hunting in low light conditions. However, some owl species, like the burrowing owl, are crepuscular or diurnal, adapting their activity patterns to different times of the day. Owls often exhibit cryptic coloration and patterns on their feathers, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings. This camouflage helps them remain inconspicuous while perched during the day, avoiding detection by potential predators or disturbances. Owls are adaptable in their choice of nesting sites. While many species nest in tree hollows, others use abandoned nests of other birds, rocky ledges, burrows, or even structures like buildings and barns. This flexibility in nesting locations contributes to their ability to colonize various habitats. Fact 6. Owls hoot. Different owl species have different hooting patterns and calls. The great horned owl, for example, is known for its deep and resonant hoots that are often described as hoo-hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, while the barn owl produces a distinctive screeching or hissing sound. Hooting is a form of communication for owls. It serves various purposes, including establishing territory, attracting a mate, and communicating with their offspring. During the breeding season, males often hoot to proclaim their presence and attract females. The hooting of owls is often linked to territorial behavior. By vocalizing their presence, owls can establish and defend their territories from potential intruders. The specific hooting patterns and frequencies can convey information about the owl's identity and status. Fact 7. Owl's diet might surprise you. Some owl species, particularly larger ones, prey on birds. This can include a variety of bird species, from small songbirds to larger birds like pigeons. Owls are known for their silent flight, allowing them to surprise and capture birds. While not the mainstay of their diet, certain owl species, such as the eastern screech owl, may include insects in their diet, especially during certain times of the year when other prey is less abundant. And some owls, like the fishing owl species found in parts of Africa and Asia, have adapted to hunting fish. They may catch fish near the water's surface using their sharp talons. Owls may prey on amphibians and reptiles, including frogs, lizards, and snakes. These prey items can be found in a variety of habitats, and some owl species have adapted to include them in their diet. In some cases, owls may consume large invertebrates, such as beetles, moths, and other insects, especially when other prey are scarce. Fact 8. Owls rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have a highly flexible neck that allows them to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. This is facilitated by the presence of extra vertebrae in their necks. While humans have 7 neck vertebrae, owls have up to 14, enabling this exceptional range of motion. Owls have a unique blood supply system that prevents blood flow from being cut off when they turn their heads. The arteries leading to the brain are equipped with a series of small vessels or vascular loops. These loops act like reservoirs of blood, allowing a continuous supply to the brain even when the head is rotated. Fact 9. Not all owl species are strictly nocturnal. Owls are often associated with nighttime, but not all owl species are strictly nocturnal. Some owls, known as diurnal owls, are active during the day, while others are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. The diversity of owl behavior is truly fascinating. The choice of activity pattern is influenced by factors such as the availability of prey, competition with other predators, and the specific ecological niche of each owl species. Additionally, owls may adjust their activity patterns based on seasonal changes, prey abundance, and environmental conditions. Fact 10. Owls have a unique way of camouflaging themselves. Owls often exhibit cryptic coloration, which means their feathers are patterned and colored in a way that helps them blend into their surroundings. This can include a mix of browns, grays, and tans that match the bark of trees, the color of foliage, or the ground where they roost or hunt. The intricate patterns on an owl's feathers, such as streaks, spots, and barring, contribute to its camouflage. These patterns break up the outline of the bird, making it harder for prey or predators to spot them. Some owl species, such as the eastern screech owl, have plumage patterns that closely resemble the bark of trees. When perched against a tree trunk, they can appear almost indistinguishable from the surrounding bark, providing effective concealment. The facial disc of an owl, the circular arrangement of feathers around its face, can also contribute to camouflage. The disc helps direct sound towards the ears, but it can also resemble patterns found in nature, adding to the bird's overall camouflage. Additionally, some owls have a facial mask or markings that reduce glare from the sun, enhancing their ability to blend in. In addition to their coloration, owls can adopt specific postures that enhance their camouflage. For example, they may elongate their bodies, close their eyes to reduce eye glare, or raise their ear tufts to mimic broken branches. Thank you for joining us on the 10 Facts with A.B.E Channel, where we unravel the mysteries and celebrate the remarkable. Stay tuned for more captivating adventures and surprising discoveries that will leave you in awe.